Okay, today guys, we're gonna be digging up this hole.
I'll grab your shovel in a second.
This hole, it used to be all dug up, but then we tried putting dirt in it. Hold on. Tried putting dirt in it. There used to be like a 5-foot hole right here, but we kind of put dirt in it because we didn't want it anymore. But now, I think we're gonna dig some up a little bit and then maybe put like a ramp in here. And it's kind of hard. And then
Okay, so we'll get your shovel.
Maybe over here.
We'll get your shovel in a second.
Drain thing? Drain? Yeah. Right here, a little bit. But I tried right here to try and just see how hard the ground was. It's not too bad. But I'm gonna start to do that. And just dump this on the side.
I thought you were gonna throw it at me. Alright, I'm gonna go get Tyson his shovel. Alright, so we ended up finding it, and it was in the garage. And Alex is right over there digging.
Alex! Play my bubble! Found it? Yeah!
Oh, it's off to the races.
Okay, so I'm not making it as big as what it was, but I'm gonna be making probably like this to here, maybe all the way to here. I don't know, because it's just for a mini bike, and I won't be able to get all the way because I need to let some de-saw. I'm also not gonna make it as deep as it was. I'm just gonna make it deeper a little bit.
This will be deeper than this.
This will probably be 3 to 4 parts. I don't know. What'd you say, Brandon?
I said it's way deeper than that is right now.
No.
Yeah, it is.
That's where the ramp was. Back in the day.
But the middle is way deeper than that.
Yeah, you'll probably want to speed this video up like a lot.
I will. That's the first thing I'm gonna do when I edit this video. Picture of you taking a video of you. Woo! He decided to dig this hole up first.
Yeah, because there's a drain pipe.
What, Tyson?
That I made from here, right here, and it goes to here. So it helps drain.
There's a baseball in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh.
What are you doing over here, Tyson?
Me, bubble.
You're shoveling?
I don't think I really need to make this deep, that deep. Just deep enough.
What, Tyson? Picture of you? Video? You're gonna shovel by Alex?
There, that should work for a little bit. For now. This isn't the best spot because we get the trailers over there, but I'll cover that up a little bit.
We could take the plywood off of those trees over there.
Yeah, I probably will. Probably what I'm gonna do.
And cover it up.
Yeah. Anyways, sorry I haven't posted in a while, but that's because I've been busy with everything and hockey and been going over to my friend's house to work on a tree fort all the time and school. Yeah. getting a little further. Excuse me, Tyson. Well, I'm probably gonna have to lower that pipe.
So the water actually goes through it?
Yeah.
Probably gonna have to put it down. We're probably gonna have to dig like a hole down and then straight.
It's gonna have to touch the bottom. But it's gonna have to be up against the bottom.
Probably gonna have to dig it down right here and put the drain in straight down. What the heck is that? Dump truck?
Yeah.
I was waiting for you, Alex.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to hold it?
Huh? I got broken.
Yeah, it is broken. Actually, I was waiting for you and you broke it.
Yeah. Oh well.
What? Tyson, you're making all these pieces?
I'm getting somewhere. What's that? Metal rod.
Tyson, I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna set these down right there, okay?
I got dirty.
Yeah, that is dirty. Actually, there's a lot of crap in this hole, like baseballs and trash.
We're getting closer.
Yeah.
Tyson, you having fun?
Yeah.
Sorry if this isn't the best video, but I was doing this and I'm like, let's just make a video. So
Hey,
haven't posted in a while.
Actually, I gotta do a lot of editing to this video.
A little bit.
Speeding it up is probably the hardest edit.
Excuse me, Tyson. Excuse me.
Is that dirt frozen at all?
Not really.
I wish we had 2 shovels.
Tyson, excuse me.
Tyson, move. Tyson, come over here and dig. Come over here. Come over here and dig. Can you dig right here? Can you dig right there? What?
Anyways, this can show you guys on how much you can dig right now. You can dig decent.
You're gonna shovel by Alex?
Ground ain't that hard anymore. It's a lot of work. No, not yet. Tyson, I can't really do anything with you right here.
Peanut, come shovel over here.
Yeah.
Alright, so we found all 4 things. Well, that's like a thing that go under rocks and stuff for landscaping. Don't really know what this thing is. What? Go over by you. Found this dump truck thing. And found a random black glove. That's all the things we found over.
And found a bunch of metal.
And found a bunch of metal. Alex is gonna beat you. Alex is filling in this hole.
I know.
I wish we had 2 shovels so one of us could dig out this drain, this pipe. Hold on. We're gonna dig out this pipe right here. And then we're gonna put it where it's going straight down or whatever so the water can go into it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Easy good. Oh, harpfish, I know where it is.
Well, I know it's for surely under here. Oh, bro, just throw dirt on me, why don't you?
Oh, I think I found it.
I don't know, it might be metal, Alex.
Oh, I think I found it.
Found it? This is metal.
I found it.
We're over by the foundings pile. It's just a branch. I found a stake. Oh, found more metal. It's just a rock. Who did that? Did you or Tyson do that? Somebody just threw dirt at me. Oh, Tyson did that?
It was Tyson.
Found this thing. Bro! Bro! You do that?
No, I don't do that.
Oh, Alex is blaming it on you.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but this looks like a cool stick, even though it just looks like a regular stick. I'm gonna come after you. What?
I hope there ain't nothing in here.
A mouse. I want to find more crap in here. What?
Find out how to get the...
Tyson! Throwing dirt at me! Tyson! Oh. Hey, more metal. Tyson? No! Tyson, you better not come by me. No! Get away from me. No! He's scary. Alex, I'm scared he's gonna chuck the dirt and throw the shovel at me. Holy crap. Oh crap, Tyson's gonna come over here. I thought that was gonna come at me.
There we go.
Get away from me! This thing is dented. Tyson! Holy crap. I want to find more things in the dirt. Actually, I want to find more things. Yeah, I do. Hey, stop doing that. You better not throw that at me again.
I hope there ain't no lines back here.
Oh, what?
So I hope there ain't no lines back here.
You're so funny.
What?
Lions?
Lines.
Oh, I thought you said lions. Actually, you're gonna have to dig a little bit out of this hole again.
I know.
Tyson, stop throwing dirt at me. Oh, Tyson's gonna do it for you. That throw sucked.
Thanks, Tyson.
Oh.
Thanks, bud. I don't know, there's metal.
More metal?
Yep.
Oh. More metal. We have a lot of metal found. Oh, are you putting it in straight down?
Yep.
Yep.
Are you gonna put it in straight down, then put it straight?
No,
Like straight down.
I'm putting it where it's dug up.
I'm saying you're gonna put it down in the straight, or are you still gonna put it like down all the way? You don't know what I mean, do you?
No.
Like, are you gonna put it down and then come this way, or are you gonna angle it? Or are you just gonna put it straight?
I'm gonna do.
I didn't know if you were gonna angle the whole thing down.
I'm gonna do it the way that it's dug up.
Anna,
What?
Anna, me bought you.
Yeah, I saw you fall right there. Is that what you mean?
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about. So.
I'm putting this hose where it's dug up.
Okay.
I don't know what else you want from me. I don't know how to do this with this shovel, so I don't want to dig a lot.
Peanut. Oh, there's more metal. What are you doing, Tyson?
Me pop.
You're jumping? Let me know if you find more metal, okay? Like he knows what that is. I'm obsessed with throwing like rocks and sticks.
And why?
I don't know, it's just fun. I suck at throwing with my left arm.
Email.
What?
Email.
No, you're gonna throw it at me! I knew it! Why did I fall for it? No. Woo!
God. Watch out. Alright, so I think we'll be done for today. Got a little bit.
A little bit right
Got all
here.
that.
Got most of it over here.
Yeah, I'll probably post the next one soon. This is part 1.